super excited because today's video is actually sponsored by buybuybaby. buybuybaby is America's leading retailer dedicated exclusively to baby. They literally have everything you could ever need for your baby. Everything from diapers to toys to clothes, even to nursery decor. They have endless items and ideas for inspiration. You can basically find anything and everything that you could want or need for your baby. Now you can shop buybuybaby's website, which has just so much stuff, like I mentioned, but you can also do curbside pickup. So if you want to pick something up right away, you can do that and you never even have to go into the store. One of the reasons I was so excited to be partnering with buybuybaby is because we had a couple of specific things that we really wanted to get for Logan. And one of those things was a shelving system. I really wanted something simple and lightweight where we could display his toys. This was super easy to assemble, by the way. Like if I didn't have Dan here, I could have done this all by myself, and furniture building is not one of my skills. So there's that. By the way, this item is called the Way Basics Tool-Free Assembly Z-Board. I'm gonna link all of the items that I mentioned in the info box down below. So if you want to check any of them out, just so you know, they will be down there. Now, the next item we got, I was super excited about just because it's so beautiful. But then when we got it in the mail, I just have to say, this is like the nicest play mat I've ever felt. This is called the Ophi mat. Maybe it's called the Ophi mat by Littlebot. This is an amazing play mat, obviously. But even once Logan has outgrown it, like I could use this as a workout mat. Now, I did pick up a couple of clothing items for Logan as well because the weather is about to start cooling down and he's kind of slowly growing out of the clothes that he does have. So I got a couple of long-sleeved items and onesies. Like I said, I'm gonna link all of these down below. But how cute is this Burt's Bees like woodsy pattern onesie? I can't wait for Logan to be wearing this. Oh, this one is gonna take a while for him to grow into. It's organic cotton, it's so soft, and the quality is amazing. I also got Logan this 3-pack of sweatpants from Touched by Nature. They're organic, they're super soft and cozy, and I think these will be perfect for the upcoming colder months. Oh my gosh, and I got him these 2 basic t-shirts from Burt's Bees in blue and gray. I know these are just basic t-shirts, but I think these are now like my new favorite clothes for him, just these t-shirts. They're so cute. He looks like such a big boy in his t-shirt. All right, so the next item that we got from buybuybaby, I was so excited to get. I was so excited for all of this, but this is the Stoka Trip Trap high chair. We love this thing already, not only because it's clean, I think it's a really pretty chair, it's easy to wipe down, but also because the footstool is super customizable, so you can make sure that your baby's feet are planted, which I think just makes for a more comfortable seated and eating experience in general. Anyways, we've started doing baby-led weaning, and you're gonna get to see him try that basically for the first time in this video, but we'll get back to that in a little bit. So the Stoka Trip Trap is definitely a pricier high chair, but I truly believe this will last me for life. And the other cool thing about this chair is that it actually grows with your child. So really you could have this chair from birth all the way through adulthood just by adding and removing elements to the chair. So it's very customizable. I've mentioned this before, but so many of my friends had babies long before me, and this is where all of them would go for their baby needs. So because buybuybaby has so many products and something for every budget, I highly recommend checking them out for all of your babyhood needs. Like I mentioned, I will link everything that we got and featured in this video down in the info box below. Thank you again, buybuybaby, for sponsoring this video and helping to write the next chapter in Logan's babyhood. It turns out that like all of our corn ended up turning into chicken food. Like we hardly ate any of it, but the chickens have been loving the corn. Want to hear a sad story? Sure you did not just say yes, but I'm going to tell you anyways. This watermelon was the only watermelon we got, and it died. It never grew any bigger than this. So, adventures in homesteading, guys. It did smell like a watermelon though. Guys, I have been doing my exercises 6 days a week. I'm on a really specific routine right now, and I am trying to like stick it and be in it to win it. I've also typically been working out every afternoon to where right after my workout, before I make dinner, I get to see the rainbows on my way down the stairs. So on this night, I decided to make my classic Cajun pasta, and I had 2 bell peppers from the garden. That's all we got from our bell pepper plant. Like I said, adventures in homesteading, guys. But these bell peppers were in fact amazing, and so I cut them up to use in the recipe. So this was Logan's first time, by the way, in his high chair, and he was so hyped to be sitting up and have like his own surface. We've given Logan like little tastes of food, but now we are officially moving in the direction of like giving him some of his own food. So Dan set him up just to hang out while I made dinner until we were ready to give him his food. So really random, but we decided to give him some orange wedges on this day. The food that Logan gets tends to be big, grabbable chunks, and some of it he licks, some of it he throws, some of it he tries to just like stick his face directly in it. It's really cute. By the way, these are some of the tomatoes that I picked from the garden, and I decided to cut them up to stir fry them for my pasta because Dan is not a tomato fan. Also, how embarrassing is this? I wore these overalls for like 3 days without realizing that I still had the tag on them. These overalls are actually in an upcoming haul video because I did some like, I don't even know what we're gonna call them, like my childbearing years, mommy years clothing haul. And these overalls are one of the things that I got, but I just kept wearing them without realizing there was a tag on them still, so. Gardening with my baby monitor, the mom life. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you again, buybuybaby, for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check the info box, guys, for the links to everything that I got at buybuybaby. I will hopefully see you guys back here soon with another new video. All right, bye.